Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for September 2019. This box is $15 a month and you get 5 skincare, hair care, makeup samples catered to you. You do get a selection of 1 item in here to customize, which I don't even remember what that was, but I'm sure once I see it, I will remember. I've only been doing this box for a couple months, but I actually kind of like it. I know it's gotten a bad rap in the past, and there was a couple boxes that I wasn't the biggest fan of, but overall I kind of like this box. So let's just go ahead and see what we got in this month's box. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box to find out whether we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what we have. So once you have your box open, everything always comes in this nice little box, which I always keep. I like these little boxes. I don't know why I keep them. I haven't found a use for them yet, but I always think they're super, super cute. So I always keep these. This month, however, we also have something on the outside of the box. So we have a little bag that says all the things. So it's actually a decent sized bag. It's much bigger than an Ipsy bag. So, I don't know if this is a new thing they're doing or if this is just a one-time deal, but I did get a little bag. Okay, then we're also going to have this little card that has the full-size values of everything, but like I said before, I always break down the sample value below. And then we also have a little sheet of stickers, which are kind of cute. I kind of like those. Especially love the little cactus right there. I love them all, really. There's not any that I don't like. They're cute. Oh, now I remember the thing I picked out. Okay, so I picked out, this is so funny, the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Oil, which I already have the big one, like the $80 one, so I'm kind of curious to see how cute and little this is. Oh my god. Let me show you. Let me grab my full-size one. Okay, so this is the $80 one. This is mine. It's like such a little baby. It's so funny, I had the medium-sized one too and I just threw it away. It was empty, but I would have had like a whole little family of CEO glows. Anyways, I really enjoy this face oil. It just makes you glow. That's all I can say. It just makes you feel like rejuvenated, like you look alive. I really, really, really like this. This is my favorite face oil. It's expensive. I will pay it every time. I really love it. Okay, and so the full size is, they're saying 40. That's like the medium sized one. The larger one is 80. I might save this for like when I travel. I like using like little samples like this when I travel. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Beauty Protector, which I think is cruelty free. I've gotten this brand before. This, oh, interesting. Protect and Blonde. So there's that. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, so it's a shampoo. Oh, I guess if I would have read the bottle, I could have seen that. So it's just a purple shampoo. If you've never seen, or you don't have blonde hair, oh, it's got a safety seal. It looks pretty difficult to get off. But basically, this is a purple shampoo. It's kind of like toning your hair. It helps get rid of brassiness as you wash your hair and it's blonde. It will get, oh, mine's looking pretty good right now. But well, maybe there it's a little brassy, right? So this helps with it not looking so yellow, if that makes sense, more blonde. So I really like these. I definitely will use this. I will give it a try. I almost only use purple shampoo. Every now and again I'll use like a clarifying shampoo to like get everything out. But I really, really like purple shampoo, so I'm excited to try this. The full size is valued at $23, which is not bad. It's not great, it's not bad. The one I buy is like 12 bucks, so eh. Okay, this is interesting. So this is Juliette Has a Gun, not a perfume, which I'm assuming is actually a perfume. I don't know if this is cruelty free. Sorry if you hear my dog licking her paw down there. Okay, so my experience is that most perfumes are not cruelty free, but this might be, so I'll go ahead and give it a spray just to see what it smells like. It smells good. Okay, I don't know how to describe perfumes. I just don't know how to describe them. So I'm gonna read you what the card says. It says this allergen-free minimalist scent has a single note, elegant, spicy Cetilox, which I don't know what that is, but it smells good. It's not like musky, it's not florally, it's not like a clean scent. I guess spicy is the word. I like it. I don't know how to describe perfume, but if this is cruelty-free, I definitely will use up this little sample. If not, I'll just give it to a friend. Also, the name of that is super weird. Holy crap, the full size of that is $100. Yikes. Alright, this is interesting. So this is from Liz Earle, or Liz Earle, I'm not sure how you say that. I've never heard of this brand. This is Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser with cocoa butter, rosemary, chamomile, and eucalyptus. So it's got this little thing in there. And then it's got a cloth. What is this? I don't understand. So it says an essential first step in your daily routine. Regular and thorough cleansing will help maintain beautifully healthy looking skin. Follow our simple 2-step process to reveal instantly glowing results. So is this like for your face? Where's the 2 steps? Oh, here they are. Massage cleanser onto dry skin over eyes, face, and neck. Rinse the pure cotton cloth in warm water and wring out before gently polishing off the cream using a clean section for each part of your face. Finish by splashing your face with cool water. Okay, that's weird. It does say it's cruelty-free, so I guess I get to try this weird thing out. I'm curious to see how it smells. I can kind of smell it even though it has a safety seal and it smells strong. Oh, that's what I thought I was smelling. It smells like minty, like Ben Gay or Icy Hot almost. I don't know, that's weird. It is like a cream cleanser. I don't know, I'll have to try this out and let you guys know. It's definitely strange. I don't know why you need a special cloth. This looks like a cheesecloth. Like you can see it's kind of sheer. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Just weird. I don't know. It seems a little bit gimmicky. This, the full size of this is valued at $24. Maybe it's amazing. I don't know. I shouldn't be so judgy. It's just weird. And I'm weird, so I guess I should love this. Alright, we have 2 items left. The next one is from Benefit, which is not cruelty-free. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. It is like the tiniest little sample here. Mine is in the shade Warm Golden Blonde, which I guess makes sense for my hair color, but my eyebrows are not blonde, so kind of rude of them to assume that I have blonde eyebrows. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can even tell. It definitely is way too light for me. The full size of this is valued at $24. Alright, the last thing I have is from a brand I've never tried. No, I have tried an eyeshadow from them, and they are cruelty-free if I remember correctly. This is from ModelCo. This is a lip oil. Okay, so it's just pink, which I thought it was going to be a lip gloss, but it says oil. It smells like strawberries. So yeah, it's like, I don't know if this is meant to be a gloss, but it smells really, really good. Let's see. So this clear lip oil easily and comfortably melts into your lips to provide hydration and shine. So yeah, it's like a lip gloss, but also hydrating your lips, which is good. I actually am curious to give this a try. The full size of it is $12, so not too expensive. I don't know. I've never tried a lip oil, so I'm sort of curious to give it a try. Okay. That is everything I got in my box. Overall, I liked it. There was a lot of makeup in here. I have a hair care item. I have a couple makeup products. I have the perfume, and 2 skincare items. So I think it was a pretty balanced box. I think that's a lot of people's complaints with Birchbox is there's like not a ton of makeup in it. But I don't mind that so much. It used to bother me too. I want makeup. But I like trying new skincare stuff too. You only get one set of skin, and I'm trying to take care of mine, so maybe that's why I'm more into it. I think as you get older, you realize skincare is very, very important. So start young. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more little dogs. Want to wag your tail? Oh yeah, my dogs, they get that's a full size, or that's a twin size mattress that my dogs get to all sleep on. It's so much cheaper than buying a dog bed. If you have just one dog, buy like a crib mattress, and then you have a sheet, you can wash it. It's just so much easier. So yeah, I have like just a mattress sitting on my floor, and then that tiny dog enjoying it. Enjoying that, ma'am? Yeah. Go say hi. Alright, anyways, that's all I have for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.